Welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to view account balance in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Launch the application on a device and log in using your credential. After logging in, you will be directed to Wallet Dashboard. This is usually the home screen of the application. Your account balance for various cryptocurrency will be displayed promptly on the dashboard. Each cryptocurrency will typically show the amount you hold along with its current market value. If you want to see more details about the specific cryptocurrency, tap on its icon or name. This will take you to the detailed view showcasing your balance, recent transaction, and other relevant information. Some wallets also provide a total balance overview that aggregates the value of all your holdings in a specific fiat currency. You can also choose the specific wallet to view the balance. Go to the menu icon at the top left corner and select the wallet from here. And from here, your account balance will be shown. So that is how you can view account balance in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.